Hi, I want to show you how to add or remove apps icons on Google Pixel 9a. So firstly, if you want to drag something to the home screen, then swipe up to open list of your apps. Choose app you want to add to the home screen, press and hold it, and drag like that to the home screen to any place you want to drop it. Also, you can create new page by dragging this app over this board like that, or just find perfect place for this app on your home screen on the existing pages. Now to remove it from home screen, you need to press and hold it, and then drag to the top to this option remove. Don't worry, this won't delete its data, it will just remove it from the home screen, but you will still be able to see it in your app drawer. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.